So guys,
you greet first. Okay, you don't have to continue.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. How are you doing today? You said we should greet first to might be no part of my manners, but but I mean, why would you shout you greet first? Anyways, we just checked out of our hotel, and I mean, we still have long hours before our flight tonight, so we had one kebab last night, and we felt like, why not? Let's give it a try again before we, you know.
Try, Abby, you enjoyed it. You want to have it again?
Yeah, of course, I enjoyed it.
What kind of English are you speaking?
Mabino. But the kebab kind of banged, and you know, want to give it another shot, you know, to feel what we felt last night.
If it was a fluke or not. But anywho, another day.
Anyhow.
I'm used to saying another day, another vlog, and today ends. This is our last day in Malta, and we go to a different city.
And it's another sunny day. Another sunny day.
So, yeah, this is the vlog of where we leave Malta and going to another city. So, enjoy.
Ooh,
stay tuned.
Look at this shade.
And enjoy. You know what we're going to. So, yeah.
So guys, we're at the restaurant, and our food is here. So, you know, I told you I enjoyed the food last night, so we are back here to have the same meal. But, you know, let me show you a quick view of what it looks like before we butcher it.
Bon appetit. It's our last day in Malta, and we decided to see the capital city because there's no way we would have visited Malta and not see Valletta. So this area where you guys are looking at is like the central region. I don't know what it's called, but I would assume like it's the central region. And basically this place holds so many history. So where we are currently walking towards is where we call the Upper Barrakka Gardens. It also has a lower section, the Lower Barrakka Garden, and it also has the saluting ground. And on the saluting ground, every day at 12 p.m. and at 4 p.m. they shoot the fire cannon, and you know, you can see people coming out because we missed it by a few minutes. So this Upper Barrakka Garden, it's a nice place where you can get a great view of the country, and also it's a nice place for pictures. There are also places where you can just sit and relax. Opposite Valletta, there are I think 2 or 3 cities, and you guys will see those cities in a bit, but the view from this place, like I said, is breathtaking. And I really like the fact that you can just relax here because the sun is no one's mate. So ultimately, this place is just for you to relax, see the country, and if you can catch the shooting of the cannon, you know, by all means. So if you're in Malta, please do check this place out. So yeah, enjoy the view, guys. So what you're about to see now is the fire cannon. There's quite a few number of them, but they shoot just one of them per day.
I don't understand what's on these clothes. Just start showing. Let's try the usual. Something we don't take on the norm now. With the McFlurry. With the money London as well.
After that, we decided to see the streets of Valletta, and I think at this place we are walking the Republic Street, I believe it is called. And in this place you can see a lot of high-end, not just high-end, regular stores if you want to buy anything. and you know, this phone booth is really scattered around this area. Just to enter churches.
And it's £15 to enter the church.
Yeah. One year seat.
Why?
Even the dress code is there. Heels, singlets, me like this, I can't enter.
Really, no.
Wow, so we finally made it to Milan, and just to give you guys a quick tour of the room. Ignore the birds and the voice. This is like the cute kitchen area, and yep, there's a nice little sofa there, like a sitting area, and the bed, and it says push me. Okay, nice and easy. Wardrobe. I think this is late. I don't want to open it, but that looks like a wardrobe. God, ignore my tiredness. The balcony. So yeah, that's the situation now. Quickly show you guys the toilets. Yeah, nice and cozy. So this is our home for the next few days before we go back home. So yeah, catch you guys later.